In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design Canva posters and text effects. We'll start right at the beginning, so even if you're new to Canva, you can follow along easily. First, open Canva in your browser and make sure you're on the home page. Near the top of the screen, you'll see a button that says Create a Design. Go ahead and click on that. This is your main starting point in Canva, and from here you can choose any format you like. But for this tutorial, we'll focus on posters. After you click Create a Design, a search bar will appear. In that search bar, type the word poster. Canva will automatically suggest a poster size and show you various poster templates. This step is important because choosing poster sets the dimensions correctly for printing or sharing. Once you see the poster option appear, click on it. Canva will then open a new tab or window with a blank poster canvas, along with a selection of templates on the side. Now you should see a workspace with your blank poster in the middle and different panels around it. On the left side, you'll see options like templates, elements, uploads, and more. At this point, you can either start from a template or from scratch. To keep things simple but visually appealing, choose a template that roughly fits the style or mood you want. Click once on a template and it will automatically fill your poster. Next, let's add photos. On the left-hand side, click on the Photos tab if you want to use Canva's built-in images, or click Uploads if you want to bring in your own pictures. When you find a photo you like, click or drag it onto the poster. You can resize it by dragging the corners and reposition it by clicking and dragging. If your template has photo placeholders, simply drag your photo over a placeholder until it snaps into place. As you work, pay attention to the on-screen prompts that Canva shows. These prompts guide you through aligning elements, changing fonts, adjusting colors, and adding text effects. For example, when you select text, you'll see options above the canvas to change font style, size, and spacing, and to apply effects like shadows, outlines, or glowing text. Follow these on-screen hints to fine-tune your layout, experiment with different text effects, and adjust your photos until your poster looks cohesive and readable. Once you're happy with the design, you're done creating your Canva poster with custom